Good morning, children. Shall we see the lesson types of cloths? Is cloth is very important? Yes, cloth is very important. So, what does the cloth do? It protect us from heat, cold, as well as rain. So, we wear different types of cloths. At the summer season, we wear cotton and linen. At the winter season, what we wear? We wear the woolen cloths as well as silk. At the rainy season, what we will wear? We will wear the waterproof materials like raincoat, isn't it? So these are the clothes based on the season. Then school students might wear uniform. Okay, adults also also wear uniform at their work. If you see the doctor, nurse, policeman, okay, and then spacesuit, they might also wear their uniform. Okay, shall we move on to the one words? Fill in the blanks. We wear cotton and linen cloths in summer. We wear wear cotton 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 and linen linen cloths clothes cloths in summe summer. Cloth is made in mills. So where the cloth is made, it is made in mills. Waterproof materials keep us dry when it rains. So waterproof, WATER, water PROOF, proof material, MATERIALS, materials keep us dry when it rains. Okay. Then the match the following. Linen and cotton we used to wear summer season. Looms can be cloth, okay. Looms to make the cloth, okay. Fur is wear in winter season. Fur can be wear in winter season. Rubber and plastic is a waterproof material, isn't it? Then knit woolen cloths. Knit woolen. Choose the following. We need cloths to protect us. So we need cloths to protect ourselves. What we need? We need cloths. CLOTHES, cloths to protect ourselves. Wool is made from the fleece of sheep and goat. Wool is made from fleece of sheep and goat. Astronauts wear special clothes when they travel in shoot. Astronauts wear special clothes when they travel in space shoot. ASTRONAUTS. Astronauts wear SPECIAL special clothes. CLOTHES clothes when they travel in space. SPACE space SUIT shoot. So true or false? People who do certain kind of work wear uniform. So true, isn't it? So people, they might do the certain work, they have a uniform. So it is a true statement. Linen is made from jute plant. So linen is made from flax plant. Okay, it is made from flax plant, but here they wrote jute plant. So it is a false statement. We wear the same clothes for seasons. False. So we wear the same season for the same clothes for the season. So it is also a false statement. Again, true or false? People who do certain kind of work wear uniforms. True. Linen is made from jute plant. So false. Okay. We wear the same clothes for different seasons. We wear the same cloth for different seasons. False. So children, I hope you understand this. Try to write in your classwork note. Thank you, children.